undermines trust. Corruption undermines trust. Corruption undermines trust and hinders development. When some see it inevitable and concerted efforts reduce it. This essay argues corrupt is destructive and requires strong responses. And the destructive impact of corruption. Corruption diverts funds, leading to poor infrastructure, healthcare, and education. Bribery and frauds isolating services and depriving citizens and worsening disparities. The role of strong institutions. Effective measures need strong, independent institutions and a transparent judiciary, impartial police, and accountable public sector are essential for persecuting corruption, free from political interference. And lastly, conclusion. The importance of transparency and accountability. Transparency prevents corruption. Open budget, public access to information and whistleblowers protect, expose corrupt activities, holding officials accountable fosters integrity. Thank you.